If you're tired of spending hours reading through web pages and articles, or maybe you're struggling to keep up with all the information out there, then Storytell. Summarize and chat with any web page is the AI software you've been waiting for. This brand new tool does exactly what it sounds like. Summarize any web page and chat with it like you're having a conversation. Today, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Stick around to the end, and I'll even tell you how you can try it completely free, no strings attached. So, what exactly is Storytell? Well, it's an AI tool that allows you to instantly extract and summarize information from any web page. Whether it's an article, blog post, or research paper, Storytell turns it into a digestible, summarized version that saves you time. You can also interact with the content, asking questions about the page or having a more personalized chat with it, which is what makes it so powerful. One of the key features here is the ability to summarize and chat with any web page in real time. Most AI summarizers just give you the text in a condensed form, but with Storytell, you can literally ask questions and get more context on the spot. This makes it super useful if you want to dive deeper into a specific part of the page or need clarity on a point that the summary didn't touch on. Another major benefit is how user-friendly the interface is. You don't need any technical expertise to use this software. Simply paste the URL of the page you want summarized, and Storytell takes care of the rest. It's designed for both beginners and seasoned pros who need efficient solutions for information processing. For those concerned about accuracy, Storytell doesn't just give you a one-size-fits-all summary. It uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze the content and highlight the most relevant and important points. You can also adjust the level of detail in the summary, whether you want a quick overview or a more comprehensive breakdown. What I really love about this software is how it improves your information retention. Instead of passively reading, you're actively engaging with the content. The chat feature makes it feel like you're having a conversation with a knowledgeable expert, which helps reinforce key takeaways. Storytell is not just for casual browsing. It's incredibly useful for researchers, marketers, and anyone dealing with large amounts of information daily. Imagine you're working on a project and need to pull information from multiple sources. Instead of going through each web page manually, you can use Storytell to instantly summarize and chat with all the pages you're researching. One of the best parts about Storytell is its flexibility. It works with pretty much any web page out there, whether it's a news article, academic research, or a product page. You can even use it to summarize complex legal documents or technical papers. And since it integrates with your browser, you don't have to leave your web page to use it. It's as simple as click, paste, and get the information you need. But here's the most exciting part. Storytell is still free to try right now. So if you're intrigued, you can test it out for yourself. Just click the link in the description and you'll be able to explore its full range of features without paying a cent. As someone who's tested hundreds of AI tools, I can confidently say that Storytell stands out as one of the most versatile and effective AI software options available today. If you're someone who needs to stay on top of the latest trends, research, or even personal knowledge building, Storytell is a game changer. Finally, I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and if you want access to the ones I highly recommend, you can find them all listed in the description below. They're all free to try, so you've got nothing to lose by giving them a shot. Don't forget to check out Storytell and see for yourself how it can make your workday a whole lot easier.